Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change Amazon language on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to open your Amazon applications, and also you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. And if you want to change the language on your Amazon applications, here you just have to tap on this profile options at the bottom. Now we'll find that here at the top right, which is a flag icon. Just tap on it. As you can see, there are language options. If you want to change it, you just have to tap on it. And now just choose the language that you want to use here guys. For example, here I'm gonna change it to the Turkish. Just tap on it, and now I'm gonna tap on this Turkey. So yeah, here I'm gonna tap on this button at the bottom, which is the save button, to save the language that I have changed before. We have to wait for a second like this, and yeah, this is the result here guys. My Amazon language is already changed from the English to the Turkish. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.